guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing my Ipsy bag. I'm super excited to see what I got in this month's Ipsy bag because this seems pretty heavy duty. So we are just gonna jump right into this and see what is in here. Well, alrighty then. And there's my cat. Okay, so we are going to see. Maybe. We're going to attempt to see what's in this bag. Oh, I got it open. Okay, selfie with no filter. Okay, dokie, guys. So in this bag this month, this is Formula 10.0.6, 3 times Sublime 3-in-1 Blackhead Wash, Scrub, and Mask, Pink, Grapefruit, and Jojoba. I think that's how you say that. Or Jojoba. Jojoba. Alrighty, so this I will definitely be doing a video on. Because who doesn't love to watch blackheads come off if it pulls them out? I don't know. It's a wash plus scrub plus mask, so I will definitely do a video with this. Because, yeah, hello. Okay, I got this Bang Beauty, which is really funny because I got Bang Beauty in my BoxyCharm. It was a chocolate eyeliner, I guess. And then this is an eyeshadow named Smoky that I have to figure out how to open. Oh, it's like miniature little things. Okay, that's cute. Super tiny. Put that on upside down. Oops. No. I'm gonna break it before I even get to use it. Okay, so that little cute thing that is so cute and tiny. You could travel with this and have 4 eyeshadows on the go. Easy peasy. And then I have Rivetry Luxe Pen Edition. See if I can get this off of here. Ho eyeliner. A star stamp. I have no mirrors. So we're just gonna use my phone. I'm gonna stamp my face with this, but I just can't resist. Oh my, do you guys see that? That's so cute. I love it. So this already a win. I don't even know if the other side works. I'm already wearing makeup, but that was so cute. Oh, how cute. It has like a little, I don't know how to make that noticeable. There's a star and then a little drawing line. We'll see if this shows up. Next is by Pixi, Peach Honey Duo. And this is a blush duo that is wrapped. Oh, that's pretty. You could definitely use this as a highlight. Maybe even this. That is really pretty. Let's just put our fingers in it. Okay, that's what those two look like, swatched. They are very pretty. I could wear the gold one as a highlight. The pink is just a little too pink. I don't know if you can tell how pink it is in this, but it's pretty pink. So that would be like a nice, just shimmery blush. I'm actually pretty excited about this. I do not own anything from Huda Beauty yet. So this is the color Bombshell. And it is a liquid full-size lipstick. Ooh, it's so pretty. So that is that color. Pretty watery, but it's a matte lip. It's a liquid matte lipstick. So that is all the beautifulness I got in this Ipsy bag. I will definitely be doing a look on this bag for you guys. I'm like super excited to actually try out pretty much all of this stuff. So this will be a super fun, cute little makeup look that I get to put together with all this. And then I'm super excited to film a video about this because that's just fun to like remove blackheads. I don't know. I've never used a blackhead mask before, so I'm super excited. I've wanted to for a long time. I do have a different one I also need to try, so I think that one's more like the legit like peel it off all gross and get all up in there. So this one I'm not sure what it's gonna do, but I'm super excited to see and try it all out for you guys. So this Ipsy bag was actually super bomb. Like I got a lot of things I really enjoy, so look out for that video coming eventually. I have like 100 videos to film of all this makeup trying on, so I will get to it as soon as I can so you guys can see all these awesome products used and my review for them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Have a good rest of your day. I can't say day. Have a good rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!